Hey my friends, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to demonstrate you a Shaolin Kung Fu. Name is Penetrating Hands. Okay, now let's see the demonstration first. So this is the demonstration. Now this talu is very interesting. It is not like the other talus. It is mainly used to target your weak spots like heart, eyes, nose, throats, etc. What is the advantage of this talu? If you apply this technique successfully, then your opponent have no choice to cover his weak spots, and then you can take the advantage of that situation, because when it try to cover all of his weak spots, then his other spots will be open and you are clear cut them. It is the main benefit of this talu. Now if you want to learn this talu deeply, then the slow demonstration for it will be started after this video. Watch the full video and then try to demonstrate it by your own. Okay, so let's see it.